Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see your YouTube search history. So to do that, you have to go to your YouTube and let me just head over to my home page. So as you can see, I'm in my home page and I'm heading over to my profile by tapping the icon on the lower right corner and then tap on the Google account and here tap on the search icon on the top right. Now search for YouTube. Search history. So here goes the YouTube history. I'm heading over there. So scrolling down, I'm heading over to manage history. So here you can find your Google's or YouTube search history. So these are the search history in here. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next